Let's meet Lucas, a high school senior and college sophomore who took an unconventional route to higher education by starting college courses while being homeschooled. Lucas is a double major, a chess competitor, and a National American Indian Higher Education Consortium champion. His story is proof that success is defined by perseverance, not convention. Lucas, take it away.
Thanks, Alex. When I was younger, I was never motivated to learn new skills or even think about my future. I attended public school until 5th grade, then was homeschooled. In 11th grade, I took the bold step to enroll in early college courses at Salish Community College. At first, I wasn't sure which path to take. But with my advisor's guidance, I decided to double major in pre-engineering and associate of science. That's when I found my passion for technology. I do 3D printing and design, which is cool because I can design and print anything I want, like wall hangers and 3D models, as well as other things I can't find online. I also enjoy taking videos and photos with my drone, which you can get a commercial license for at SKC. Recently, I even helped film a project on campus that highlighted skills for remote learning, effective communication, and time management, which is all very important to us here at SKC. After finishing college finals, I've completed my high school equivalency test and also graduated with 2 more degrees. So basically, I'll be graduating high school and college in the same week, proving there isn't just one right path to success. SKC's academic guidance helped me a lot along the way. I've had opportunities I never imagined, like competing for 2 years at the American Indian Higher Education Consortium Student Conference, where I placed 1st and 2nd in the Science Bowl. I also had the opportunity to compete against a grandmaster in chess, finishing 2nd, which was an unforgettable experience. SKC's commitment to personal and academic growth helped me gain confidence, knowledge, and real-world experience, all being homeschooled. Next, I plan to study electrical engineering, following my grandpa's footsteps. Even if you're searching for direction, SKC proves that with the right support, anything is possible. Back to you, Alex.
Lucas, your story really shows how SKC helps students discover their full potential. Here, students are encouraged to forge new pathways and pursue bold goals. We're excited to see you expand your skills and how you'll continue to push barriers as an electrical engineer. Thanks again, Lucas.